We understand how important your business is for you. We also know how important every call is for your business. But how do you manage your phone calls when it's so important? Or who takes your call when you are not there? Or when you have multiple calls coming at the same time? Or how do you manage all people taking your business calls? Or does anyone take care of your important calls when you are on holidays? So, we thought of building a smartphone system for your business, which will manage your phone calls in a better way. My Operator is your smart business phone system on cloud that manages all your calls 24/7. Whenever your customer calls on your My Operator smart number, it greets them with professional IVR. It then forwards the call to the desired department or extension so that your customer does not waste his time and yours. So now when you are busy, someone else will surely take your call. It works for you 24/7. It tracks and reports all your calls. It boosts your sales. It notifies and keeps you informed. And best of all, it does not require any maintenance. Even if you have a small business, it helps you look bigger and professional. It also builds your potential database. You can even stay ahead of your competitors through a toll-free number. You can even go global with international numbers and toll-free. So, if you love your business, surely you will love My Operator or your operator. For more details, call us on 92129 92129 or visit our website www.myoperator.co.